In this video, I would answer these questions. Number 1. What kind of teacher feedback on student writing assignments actually helps and motivates students to make improvements in their writing? Number 2. What is the process of getting students writing assignments from Google Classroom to ChatGPT and back to students? And number 3. How to use ChatGPT to give specific, personalized, rubric-based feedback on student writing assignments. But first, don't tell me you haven't heard of ChatGPT yet, because everyone else and their grandmas already have. So let's get started without any preamble. Detailed and personalized teacher feedback on student assignments is one of the most important factors to subsequent student effort on improving their mistakes. According to John Hattie, an authoritative figure in the research on teacher efficacy, effective teacher feedback can significantly enhance student learning and performance, hence improving their overall achievement. But here is the 6-ton Godzilla in the classroom. How do we provide detailed and timely personalized feedback to over 100 students in a classroom every week? That's where ChatGPT, our King Kong teacher buddy, comes in. John Hattie tells us that teacher feedback on student assignment should be timely, relevant, and action-oriented. ChatGPT aligns perfectly with this edict by helping teachers provide immediate, detailed, and constructive feedback that aligns with the rubric or the standards a teacher feeds it. ChatGPT, developed by OpenAI, is an artificially intelligent language model that can understand and generate human speak-like text. It can be a powerful ally for the teacher in the feedback process on student assignments. Let's see how this works in practice. First, access ChatGPT through the OpenAI website at chat.openai.com. If you haven't done so already, you will need to create a ChatGPT account with your email address and your phone number. Once logged into ChatGPT, it will look like this. After you've logged into ChatGPT, it's time to log into your Google Classroom. Something like this. Open the two tabs, ChatGPT and Google Classroom, side by side or in adjoining desktop windows. Now, let's jump into the practicalities. Select a student essay or a writing submission that a student has submitted as an assignment in Google Classroom from the Classwork tab. I have, for example, here a sample assignment that a student submitted. So I'm gonna copy this entire text, copy this, and go to ChatGPT and paste at the bottom this. I will open up a new chat window. This is a new chat window. I'll open this and paste it here at the bottom. I'm not gonna hit enter yet. If I hit enter, it's gonna start working on this. So I'm gonna click on Shift plus enter. It will take me to a new line. So I'm gonna go to a new line, and here I'm gonna ask ChatGPT, provide constructive feedback on this student essay, focusing on the thesis, clarity, and argumentative structure. You can also enter any kind of a prompt saying, for example, provide feedback on the language composition and the writing style of this text against a rubric. Whatever rubric you want to feed, you will enter that rubric also in this area at the bottom. Once done, hit send, and ChatGPT will start providing a feedback. Because we asked ChatGPT to provide feedback on thesis clarity and argumentative structure, and it is giving all the feedback, very detailed feedback on a very short student submission. Has given such a detailed feedback. At this point, I would like you to take a look at the entire feedback and see if it needs to be fine-tuned or need to be further personalized for that particular student. Look at that very clearly, and once done, then at this point, all you need to do is either click on this copy, this clipboard sign at the bottom, or you can just select this entire text and copy it and go back to Google Classroom, and wherever the student has submitted the assignment, you can paste it there in the student assignment at the bottom. For example, here at the bottom, this is the feedback, and you can hit return and send the assignment back to the student. And this is also the time that you can grade it. And here are a few more sample prompts you can use. Number 1, suggest improvements for the introduction of this essay. Number 2, check the coherence and flow of arguments in this essay. Number 3, identify areas to improve grammar and syntax. Providing detailed and timely feedback has many benefits. It encourages student engagement, fosters a growth mindset, and leads to better academic outcomes. ChatGPT helps makes this intensive task more manageable. I strongly recommend one-to-one student conferences with as many students as possible after this detailed ChatGPT created feedback. These conferences will ensure proper understanding of the feedback and will show personal care for the student's progress. Remember these words? Feedback is the breakfast of champions. Ken Blanchard said these words in 2009. They are just as relevant today as they were in 2009 or even before that. And now this. The single most important component of a camera is the 12 inches behind it. Ansel Adams, the celebrated American photographer, said these words. It's not just about the tool, but how you use it. ChatGPT is just a tool. It's what you, the teacher, makes with it. That is what will make the difference. In conclusion, ChatGPT is like a Swiss Army knife for language arts teachers. Versatile and efficient. It's about working smarter, not harder, to ignite the spark of learning. And remember, in the world of AI-assisted teaching, you are not just a teacher. You are a tech trailblazer, shaping the minds of the future. So, stay innovative, stay inspired, and keep transforming lives, one teacher feedback at a time. That's all for now. Until next time, bye from New Jersey, bye from Keynote 180.